Hello, this is our final screen-o-matic about how to just do basic troubleshooting before you come reaching out to your IT coach. This last one is just to kind of tell you you can't fix everything, neither can your IT coach. Some things just cannot be fixed and may need higher escalation than you can do in just your basic classroom setting. So I wanted to show you what this looked like because it's important to know when you can do something and when you can't. I know if a pipe starts leaking, I can probably fix it, but if a spark starts shooting out of the wall, I'm calling the electrician. So everyone needs to know their limitations. So I can't really replicate these because unless I have computers with all these error messages, and I really don't want to see them in my home, I can't do that. So these are screenshots of it from various websites. So this is kind of called the blue screen of death. If it says Windows encountered an error, restarted, you restart your computer, it comes up, fine. Make sure your files are backed up. Your computer may be time to die. So any kind of fatal exception, fatal error codes, all of these are problematic. That's Windows telling you, help, I'm having a heart attack, please get me CPR. Okay? And it may be that your motherboard or your hard drive is failing. It's nothing you did to cause that. These things just break. Just like your car breaks down, sometimes your computer can break down too. Make sure you back up your work. Learn that the hard way when my motherboard or my desktop computer died. I didn't lose any pictures, but I lost a lot of documents. So here's another one, another example of blue error code. I'm not sure what all these mean, and sometimes even your best computer experts don't. Sometimes it's just a generic, the motherboard's failing. We don't know why. We just got to replace it. So another one is can't find the dump file. Basically, software that tells the computer what to do. It can't find it. It can't reach out to it. It wants to do something. It wants to start up. Wants you to let you have your day in class, but something's preventing it. Missing the operating system. That means for some reason your software has disappeared that tells the computer what to do. Get it to me. You cannot fix this. And if you restart it and it works, save your documents and then get it to me. Because you've been given a gift. But I've never seen anybody be able to boot up from an error message like this. Another error message, you're missing the operating system again. Missing the motherboard. Boot manager is missing. This is what tells stuff in what order to boot up. This is what happened to my hard drive when it failed. The motherboard failed. And that's all it would do to. We could only get it in a black screen. We tried everything we had to do. Eventually we had to have it replaced. Luckily it was under warranty. So, and then our final, kind of a bigger view of it. Okay? So if you get these error messages, just know your limitations. Try to restart it. See if you can maybe try to continue with your day. Maybe try to get some of your docs off. I would do that first and foremost. If you haven't backed up, which again, back up. That's why I recommend using Google Docs because it saves for you and it doesn't matter if your computer crashes or dies. It's on Google's stuff. So that's all for that. So if you have any questions, of course, you know how to reach out to me.